Hi, this is Miss Cindy from the Crown Point Community Library, and today I am bringing the library into your home with a sweet idea. So today I want to show you how to make frozen hot chocolate, which sounds like a contradiction, right? Because how can it be hot chocolate and be frozen at the same time? But we are basically going to make a hot chocolate smoothie. So if this is something that you like to drink and something you want to try, it's really easy. It has just a few ingredients and you can make it at home. So we need 3 different things to make this frozen hot chocolate. We need 3 packets of hot chocolate mix. So I have, mine is a hot cocoa mix or a dark chocolate hot cocoa mix, but you can use any flavor. So if you want to use like a caramel hot chocolate mix, but you want 3 of the packets, 3 of the envelopes. So you need that, and then you'll need 2 cups of milk. And remember, when we're measuring any type of liquids, we use our liquid measuring cup. And then we'll need 3 cups of ice. So our ice, I have just a regular measuring cup to measure out my ice. All of that is going to go into my blender. I'm gonna blend it to smooth, till it's smooth, and then have my hot chocolate, my frozen hot chocolate. So let's try it and see how this works. All right, so I'm going to start with my 3 cups of ice. In some blenders, you can actually have the measures on them, so I can actually see how much I have. But if you don't have a measurement on your blender, then you're going to use a measuring cup. So 3 cups of ice, 2 cups of milk, and 3 packets of hot cocoa. And then just pour all of that into your blender. One. Two. And 3. Put your lid on your blender. Make sure it's on tight. And then you're just going to hit either a puree or you could hit blend, but some type of high-speed blend, because we have ice in there, so we want that ice to get nice and crushed up. So I'm going to turn off my camera because this blender is going to make an awful lot of noise, and I don't think you need to hear it, but I'll show you what it looks like when I come back. Okay, I'm back. So do you see the difference in my blender? So here is my frozen hot chocolate. Remember, I did use a dark chocolate hot cocoa mix, so mine's pretty dark. So then we're just going to pour it into our cups. And we want to go ahead and add some special things to make it a little bit more of a treat, right? I have whipped cream. I'm going to put that on. Because hot chocolate's always better with whipped cream. And then I have a couple other options for you. So one, I have a chocolate candy bar. And I used kind of a bigger, thicker one. Now this is a dark chocolate, so it's kind of crumbly. But I also have, I don't know if you have one of these at your house. This is a cheese slicer, and you use it to slice cheese. You can also use a vegetable peeler. But if I just drag that along the end of my chocolate, do you see how it kind of curls and breaks apart? If my chocolate was softer, I could get some nice curls. Because my chocolate is kind of, it's not a soft chocolate. Like if it was a milk chocolate, it would be softer. So mine kind of flakes and breaks into pieces. And so then I can just sprinkle them on top. Or another option for you, I have cocoa powder. And mine, I just have mine in a Tupperware container, but you probably have a container of cocoa powder at your house. I have a strainer, okay, it's just a mesh strainer. And if I put my cocoa powder into my strainer and then just tap it on the top, I can get a cocoa powder garnish. So there is my frozen hot chocolate. Give it a straw and it's really good. It tastes just like hot chocolate, but super cold. So if you're not frozen and you want something cold to drink, then try frozen hot chocolate. Thank you for joining me today. Feel free to check out our Facebook page or our library website where you'll find more videos and more ideas. And feel free to stop by the library and let me know how your frozen hot chocolate turned out. Take care and have a great day.